All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader. I am traveling today, so it's a little bit of a different webcast, but I wanted to get a couple of things out. I apologize, it's a little bit shaky. I'm trying to hold the stupid thing with my hand. My screen share thing is not working down here. So this week they've thrown just about everything at this market that they possibly can. Bad earnings reports, tariff news. They've tried to knock it down. The 9-day is held. You can see it continuing to push higher here. So, you got that 49 half high from a couple of days ago. The key to the week, the key to our week at least, has been identifying what's the key price and then utilizing that key price after you figure out whether it wants to be support or resistance, taking advantage of that, and that will give you the move. Yesterday it was the gap fill. Day before it was 30 handles up off of 18 to 20. Yesterday the key was 35 to 37 holding. So in looking at the daily, you can see it climbing. Here's the hourly chart, which has certainly been my favorite chart this week. You can see the bands are getting tight. You can see we gapped down. They went up and filled it up yesterday. The day before that, you had the key area here in the 18s. So today you got tight bands. You've got it messing around with mid-band support. All that's really happening around 41, 42. You got your Globex low coming in at 39.25. You got daily pivot and a higher low at 40 half. So the key price area today is really, call it 40 to 43, centered around the daily pivot, potentially held in by the hourly midband. If the hourly midband wants to be resistance, and that would be a first for the week, then it can go down and catch some of these lower areas, certainly the reaction low down at 33 half from yesterday. If it wants to be support, then you can go ahead and expect more of the same. You can expect that 49 half right there to get taken out, and we will head further to the upside. So I'll expand on this in a couple more videos over on Instagram, but I wanted to get this out, and I will be checking in on social throughout the day. Trade them well. Have a great weekend. Remember, it's a summer Friday, okay? It's a summer Friday. If this thing doesn't do what you want it to do, if it doesn't trade the way you want it to trade, then put it away, okay? You don't have to trade. Yesterday afternoon, I didn't take any trades because we were chopping between 36 and 41. I had a short marker at 41 that wasn't broken. I had a long marker at 36 that wasn't broken. So you know what that tells me? Unless I want to turn into a two-handle scalp trader, and that's not my style, I got to put it away. And that's what I did. If these summer markets don't set up for you on a particular day, then put it away. There's plenty of other days that it's going to set up just fine, like a big move off 18, like the gap fill yesterday morning, like Monday, like Tuesday. Don't force it. Don't force it on a summer Friday. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon.